How's it going? Today I'm going to be trying to install this Uno reverse and polarity relay and, well, fixing a water leak. Seems to be going pretty good. Shout out to Phil Swift. But I've got cutouts underneath the car that need to be wired up, and they take 12 volt, and you have to reverse the 12 volt for everything to work. And this will go to the switch. Braiding not necessary. That's going to be unbraided, but alright, we're inside, wiring the button. This might be the dumbest shit I've ever done, but you just give it a little rappy, and then throw some fucking shrink wrap over top. Call her good. I'll go ahead and shrink these up. Do it with the rest of the other connections. Don't know what those are for. Oh, we'll figure it out. Alright. We're all wired up. I'm going for the install. Alright, so I've got the button installed. You can actually hear it activating the different relays. Oh god, the wires ran up through there through a janky ass fucking hole. Take it outside the car. Got it all wired up in the fucking rat's nest. Just gonna set that in there, run these down, right back down to the cutouts. Fucking wires. Alright, got it all tucked up in there. See the relay? Running a ground wire out to here just to keep connections clear of the battery. Made that mistake before. Got it shoved all down there, just gotta pull it through. Alright, I've got the wire pulled down through here. Split it up. I'm mapped out with the test light. Jesus, if I can get a hold of the fucking damn thing. Mapped out with the test light which ones were power and ground on a certain... Alright, don't focus, camera. But marked out power and ground on the on switch setting, since both of them will be acting as power and grounds. Just gotta make some connections for this, and then cutout should be working. Alright, well, was gonna make some connectors for these, but turns out I don't know how to fucking do that. So made some little braces for the wires there, got them fucking soldered together. I guess I'm just gonna have to figure that out if I ever have to drop it, which I probably will, because this bitch leaks. But guess the only thing that's left to do, drop this thing back down and give them a test. Alright, so everything should be installed, should be ready. This is the first test.